Good evening, YouTube modeling community. James Morris here, saying God bless all here. Welcome to Morris Custom Model Shops. Some of the guys have put up videos on how they sand tires. I do mine a little different. We'll show you how, what I use. First of all, got a clamp with a strip off an old buffing wheel folded on it. My drill, this is an old knob, but it just happens that it fits perfect inside a tire. All I do then is put it right in here. My clamp is getting weak, getting old, I think. Put it right in here. And in no time, my tire is sanded down. Ready to go. You just switch over to the next one. Put it in. Simple as that. I started doing this when I was doing a lot of NASCAR builds. Those tires are nice and flat, but they usually had humps and bumps in them before you got through with them, so that's what I do. And that's how I do my tires. Thank y'all for watching. I'll do other tip videos when I get a chance. Thanks a lot. Rate, subscribe, comment. Y'all have a good evening.